Capistrano at La Quinta is tucked away in South La Quinta, just off Monroe Street near Avenue 58 corridor. This part of La Quinta has a quieter, more residential feel, and one of the big lifestyle advantages is the setting. You are closer to the Santa Rosa Mountains, so many homes in the area pick up mountain views from at least one part of the property, whether that's the backyard, the front courtyard, a bedroom window, or the outdoor living space. Another underrated benefit is the wind. La Quinta sits outside the main San Gorgonio Pass wind path, so while you can still get breezy desert days, this part of the valley generally feels more protected than the windier areas closer to the north end of Palm Springs and the I-10 corridor. From day-to-day living, most residents use Old Town La Quinta and the Highway 111 corridor for dining, groceries, coffee, shopping, and everyday services. And when you want a little more, maybe El Paseo, higher-end dining, galleries, or a bigger night out in Palm Desert, it's typically a predictable drive of about 30 minutes. The community itself is a smaller, gated neighborhood. At completion, Capistrano is expected to have about 130 homes total. DR Horton did not build the entire original community. They built the newer 115 home site section known as the Enclave at Capistrano. That phase is planned to be completed by the end of this year. The real estate offering here is one of the biggest reasons buyers pay attention. These are larger, single-story detached homes with DR Horton floor plans ranging from approximately 2,048 to 3,003 square feet. Depending on the plan, you'll see 3 to 4 bedrooms, studies, dens, junior suites, or casita-style flexibility. The lots are also generous for newer construction. Many home sites are around 8,000 to 9,000 square feet, with some larger lots reaching well above that, which gives buyers real backyard space for a pool, spa, covered patio, outdoor kitchen, or a full desert entertaining setup. As of this recording, the HOA is roughly around $200 per month, and that includes common area maintenance, controlled gate access through a transponder-style gate, and a smaller community park with a green belt area. The western side of Capistrano is especially appealing because it backs up to the Palms Golf Club. The Palms is a quiet, private golf course, and because some of the lots sit at a slightly larger elevation, residents can sometimes catch a peekaboo of the course, even with the privacy of the community wall. The bottom line here is Capistrano is an ideal fit for a buyer who wants South La Quinta's quiet lifestyle, mountain view surroundings, a lower HOA gated community, and larger, modern homes without being inside a major resort-style country club. And now I'll leave you with 3 floor plans to walk through so you can get a feel for the layouts offered here. These are the first 2 videos are going to be the model homes that they have at the sales office, and then the last house, the third house, is going to be a house that's currently for sale. Upgraded flooring, a good opportunity. They actually had a sale. I was there on Memorial Day, and they got some good sales going on right now, so you might be seeing this in the future and you're probably too late for that opportunity. But if you're just seeing this right after I posted it and this isn't your criteria, please go check out that opportunity on house number 3. Right now we're on house number 1. This is a model. The second house, house number 2, is a model. And then the third house is what I'm talking about, that is currently for sale as of May 25th, Monday. Thanks guys for watching this. If you're curious about anything real estate in Coachella Valley, please reach out. I'll see you at the next video.